been a bad bitch, Kakiana, and I'm still winning Pakiana. Percocets, Papiana, killing everybody beat. Thank you, next, Ariana.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Black Brat. Hey, back with another video. It's the Black. It's the Brat. It's the. But okay, for real, let's get right into this video. So today on my channel, I'm gonna do another slick back video. Y'all enjoyed my last slick back video I did, so I'm making a new one. My hair is kind of dirty. I'm not gonna lie to you. I just took my braids out, but I don't feel like washing my hair just to put my gel in and then wash it again to get my braids in, because I'm getting a wig. So I'm just gonna do it with some, you know, my hair doesn't feel thick. It doesn't feel like it needs to get blow dried. I mean, I should blow dry it, but who got time for that? So we're just gonna get right into that bitch. All right, period, you hoes. I only got 7 minutes on this camera, so we're about to use every 7 minutes. So first I'm gonna start off picking my hair a little bit, not really picking it up. I don't know if I want to do the middle part or I want to do the side part. Every time I do middle parts, you guys, I always fail. And plus I just don't think I look good with the middle part. Fuck it, we're gonna try me with the middle part. It's gonna look ugly, but fuck it. You know, just fuck it. But I'm gonna do these in sections. Hold on, I gotta get some hair size. Do the back of my hair. And I'm just gonna see the back of my hair. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm not gonna really part it. I never really part my hair really, to be honest with you guys. But I'm just gonna keep a bottom piece of my hair. Hopefully y'all can see this. Do I need to be higher? Maybe. Sorry, I'm sorry. No unpreparedness. Better. So I'm gonna get the back of my hair. And I'm just going to Gloppa gel. So I'm disperse it on this. Oh, y'all hate baking videos, so I'm just gonna get this part. I'm gonna gel it up, just so it's smooth and doesn't feel so thick. Y'all, if y'all see dirt, it's my hair just got braids. Like, don't forget. I'm not fucking it up. And I'm gonna get my big bristle brush and I'm just gonna brush it. Oh my god, this is so slippery. So I'm just getting the gel. Stop touching me. I'm going to this. Grab my hair up. This is the only hair tie I have, so I gotta use this. That's pretty much a good half to me, but I'm gonna split this half in half. So I'm gonna go over here and make a part in this half, and I'm going to just gel this up and gel it back. So mind you, if you guys have a thick hair, just take this shit in sections. Don't even rush it. Get a whole bunch of gel and just splat that on that bit. Splat it. Splat, 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 splat. Splat that on that guy. Oh shit, y'all use a whole bunch. Oh shit. Let's see how much gel I use. Oh my gosh. And then you're gonna get it. Just gonna just brush that thing. Look how nice and sleek that looks. Dang. Oof. Brushing it right there. Slipping that guy back. And then I'm gonna add that to the ponytail. I don't know why I did this ponytail so tight. Know my braid, I mean, know my nails are long as fuck. But yeah, I slicked that back. It was pretty flat. So again, we're gonna tie it up. I ain't gonna do it too tight this time, but I'm gonna get to the middle part, y'all. Get to the middle part. I'm gonna do a whole bunch again, get a whole bunch of gel, and just sleek that bitch over here on the front of your head. Ooh. Ooh. Look at the strength is coming. Is it me or just gel just make my hair short as fuck? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, she needs some milk. So I'm just sleeking that. So y'all can see it's getting flat. Just my thing is, if you have like a lot of hair and thick hair, just use as much gel as possible. Just like slap that bitch on there. It's gonna make your hair look flat. Oh shit, I'm running out of storage, y'all. Oof. All I'm gonna do is just get it. So yeah, y'all, we're back in action. I had to delete something because I don't feel like getting a whole new SIM card. So I slicked that part down. Now we're just gonna get this part again. Again, we're gonna go half of this half. So right here, right about here, I'm about to say, yeah, this is just enough. I'm going to just use the gel again and slap that bitch on there. When I say slap, you gotta put a whole bunch, like a good size. I can't see, but that's enough. You know? Don't use no dime size. Eco style is not that cheap. I mean, not that expensive. Use more than a dime size, honey. Especially because Eco Style is cheap, you need to use more. And if y'all think Eco Style is expensive, y'all need to go to fuck it. I've seen edge controller that's more than this. And it's smaller. So we're gonna slip that on there and then we're gonna get the brush again. And we're just gonna just slip that back. Ugh, I hate brushes, they freaking feel terrible. Y'all, this is getting curly because the hair tie in the back is not tight at all. Like, it's loose as hell. I ain't trying to break a nail for this. My nails is $45, $50. I'm not breaking a nail. Okay, hair in my mouth. Ew. Ugh. So I'm gonna get again a big gulp of gel because this is the front, y'all. Don't be stingy with the front. That's why y'all be looking the way y'all do. And we're gonna go ahead and just slap that bitch on there. Slap that bitch on there. So y'all make sure y'all slap it. Splat. Oh shit, that's a lot of gel. Oh hell no. Oh hell no, cuz hell no. My part ain't even all of that. I didn't even use a tail comb. I'm telling y'all, I ain't had no storage. I was trying to move fast. So yeah, I think I need a little bit more at the ends. Okay, this should be good enough. So right here, it looks like this. Gonna just take our time and brush it. Whew. I hate brushing my head. Just don't taste it. Got a little gel in my mouth. Got a little bit of hair in my mouth now. Just brush. Go back on the other side and brush. Just brush it. Don't lose your control, honey. Don't lose your control. Y'all did not do a good part at all. Like, do y'all see that part? That shit is tragic. It got to be glue in your beginning, your edges parts. Just so that should stay down. You don't gotta use a whole bunch. Now you can use a dime size. I'm trying to find my other gel, y'all, but I can't. Not gel, but my other edge control. I can't find it. And then I also tried to make sure my hair, my little bun in the back don't look so small. Try to like stretch it out. There's a lot of gel in it, so it's gonna shrivel up some. So just like make sure. I can't find my edge control, y'all, but I'm gonna try to find it. I'm gonna try. If I didn't put no edge control on my ends, it looks puffier, but be back. So y'all, I actually left my edge control inside my mom's car, and she actually left. Y'all have gel in the end, so it looks so, it don't look as puffy as it could be. But yeah, I don't have no edge control that I usually use, because that edge control is actually good. It's in the car. And her ad left. So I'm gonna use this regular edge control. Dang, I need a better edge brush. This is not it. Yeah, my edge will look better, but I don't got my utensils. Yeah, you guys, it's really not gonna make it. Man, I'm messing up my shit. Dang, y'all, if I had my edge control, I promise you my edges will look good. I promise you my edges will look good. Dang, I'm kind of upset. I just fucked up my hair doing that shit too. Let me use Gorilla Snot. Nobody has been using Gorilla Snot on the worldwide. Look, I just fucked that up. I'm not fixing it either. I want to fix it, but damn. Fuck, I gotta fix it now. I'm trying not to break my nails doing this shit. Fuck it, I gotta rip it open. I feel everything coming up. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Stay down. Ow, I just ripped the fuck out of my head. Y'all, at this point I'm about to just throw on a hat because I'm just saying I don't have my edge control. I would make it cute by putting on some freaking what do you call them, bobby pins, but we're not gonna do that. Okay, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna try. This is not even a good ass toothbrush. This is a thin ass brush. Like, I'm really going out bad for real. Dang, is that a toothbrush? Hell no. Yo, I can't even do what I want to do now. Dang, I was excited to use the edge control too. And I knew it was in there too. I should have just went downstairs and got it. I wasn't even thinking, y'all. What fucking video was that shit? That shit's on my face. Oh, hell no. Yeah, don't ask me. I'm foreign. Like I said, foreign people shit. If you don't know nothing about it, don't ask nothing about it. That's how I get my sleek, little slick back, pat pat, that. Yeah, that's it for this video, y'all. At this point, I'm just chilling. I kind of messed it up. Oh my god, now you know I'm really messing up. What am I doing? Oh my gosh. This edge control's on my forehead. And then I fucked up this side. But yeah, y'all just keep playing with y'all hair until y'all feel like it is to its T. At this point, I'm done. My little puff would be bigger if I didn't like put edge control on my hair at the ends of my hair. But I'm gonna do a little 360 for y'all. Don't laugh at this side. I fucked it up. But yeah, this is it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm long and running out of storage.
I don't want you on my page, Blockiana. Flow tailor-made like Tiana. They copying my style, Copiana. Roger that, over. Copiana.